Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S give me another reaction. Ooh. Hey, check. No, fuck up. And today, guys, we are with Skippa. Yeah, man, Skippa with 1Stock. Yeah, Skippa with 1Stock. Could jump in the water and see what the G are dealing with, man. Let's go, man. Now waste some time, man. Let's go. Production team, big up yourself. 1Stock F30, Andre, RIP.
Disaster music.
Boy, yeah, dog, man, I mean, show you see it and you know. New designer, squeeze up my toe. Sport more, so the X4 breeze down your toe. Deck life, no me killer, them no play, them me know. Yeah.
No.
If you make money, I fi make 4 we grab a file, so me lock it for the next 4 days. No traction, I say me make it X4 skate. Full of options, I be so bad I show up too late. Yeah. But everybody wanna be somebody.
I want to with Skippa video them I go clean.
Disaster music.
One thing with Skippa video them I go clean. Them I go clean, them I go have some top right tonight. Yeah, man, some beast.
Yeah.
Again.
Dog, man, I mean, show you see it and you know. New designer, squeeze up my toe. Sport more, so the X4 breeze down your toe. Deck life, no me killer, them no play, them me know. Yeah, if you make money, I fi make 4 we grab a file, so me lock it for the next 4 days. No traction, I say me make it X4 skate. Full of options, I be so bad I show up too late. Yeah, but everybody wanna be somebody. Life good and then they cut off short. Spend the stage show, money, pan, guns and molly. Long live 1Stock, enough life, I'm a charge.
Man say him spend him stage show money pan what? One gun and what? Jesus.
Yeah, but everybody wanna be somebody. Life good and then they cut off short. Spend the stage show, money, pan, guns and molly. Long live 1Stock, enough life, I'm a charge. No enough worry, that cause we run hell. Your brother they are suffer pressure, all of this, so tell Satan make speed.
Long live 1Stock. RIP. Yeah, man, a true G. Obviously the G rate you. Man, do a song for you, bro.
Boy, yeah.
Again! Yeah!
Man,
Man,
I
I
mean,
see
show you see it and you know. New designer, squeeze up my toe. Sport more, so the X4 breeze down your toe. Deck life, no me killer, them no play, them me know. Yeah, if you make money, I fi make 4 we grab a file, so me lock it for the next 4 days. No traction, I say me make it X4 skate. Full of options, I be so bad I show up too late. Yeah, but everybody wanna be somebody. Life good and then they cut off short. Spend the stage show, money, pan, guns and molly. Long live 1Stock, enough life, I'm a charge. No enough worry, that cause we run hell. Your brother they are suffer pressure, all of this, so tell Satan make space for the big of them. Live fast, die young, so you soon see me then. Yeah,
man say tell Satan make space for the beam of them. So he might tell us say your 1Stock I got hell cause I be a badness them used to go out with before him drop out. If that got heaven and never a good youth, a bad boy. So he might tell us say yo, tell Satan say yo make space for the beam of them. You see me down at that, you see it? Yeah, drift, you go drift down a blood hell.
make space for the big of them. Live fast, die. Your brother they are suffer pressure, all of this, so tell Satan make space for the big of them. Live fast, die young, so you soon see me then. Yeah,
man say live fast, die young, so you soon see me then. Say man live fast right now, if you die, well, might die young, so you soon see him. Boom, boom.
Satan make space for the big of them. Live fast, die young, so you soon see me then. Yeah, now go soft for my dog, we make New York, so touch on my dog. The life I name in the streets in a gun, and the mag, make youths a job this, and you do it for ya. Yeah, we still a pop pill, my dog, we still a speed. Yeah, we still a chip, glock, me know you want me do. We still a drive reckless, no belt to the seat.
We still a drive reckless, no belt to the seat, no seat belt, no safety. Where that I go? That's the way I say.
But everybody wanna be somebody. Life good and then they cut off short. Spend the stage show, money, pan, guns and molly. Long live 1Stock, enough life, I'm a charge. No enough worry, that cause we run hell. Your brother they are suffer pressure, all of this, so tell Satan make space for the big of them. Live fast, die young, so you soon see me then. Yeah, now go soft up, and we make New York some torture. We have check for job, a Benz for cop. How the fuck my friend for dead, nobody tell me that. Yeah, I don't know what for doing times like this. Can't believe me, I tell my brother say RIP. Scroll by my phone, your face is all I see. Yeah, just fly high G. Cause everybody wanna be somebody. Life good and then they cut off short. Spend the stage show, money, pan, guns and molly. Long live 1Stock, enough life, I'm a charge. No enough worry, that cause we run hell. Your brother they are suffer pressure, all of this, so tell Satan make space for the big of them. Live fast, die young, so you soon see me then. Yeah, man, I mean, show you see it and you know. New designer, squeeze up my toe. Sport more, so the X4 breeze don't get told. Take
touch him
life, no
though.
me killer them, no play them, I know. Yeah, if me money, I fi make 4.
Tribute to him friend, dog.
Lock it for the next 4 days. No traction, I say me make it X4 skate. Full of options, so bitch about that show up too late. Yeah. Cause everybody wanna be somebody.
She ain't creative, big up herself. Bad. Big up yourself, Skippa. Nice tribute to 1Stock also. So the G lose him friend, obviously, but the man I tell you, say, yo, don't worry yourself, me G, you soon see me, because you don't know, say, we hope you saw I live life fast, so we are going to die young just like you. So you don't know, me G, because myself, and I also tell you, Satan, if you make space, he be my them, because we are going to drift and create havoc on that, just like how we do in New York. That's how the G basically as a writer, so. Yo, what you guys think? What want to say? Ask Skippa, you know, bro? A blood class Skippa, dog. RIP 1Stock. Long live Dre. Yeah, man. Long live Dre, man. RIP, my G. RIP. And Skippa, sorry for your loss and condolences to the family, them. You see me? We don't really to like lose a friend, them, or a bro, them, and like that, or anybody, for instance. You see me? So, yeah. Big up yourself, my G. Go and hold it, you know. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think about this one, though. I'll be down in the comment section also, and I'll catch you down there. Alright? Peace.